This is the KATO N Scale NW2 switcher, and KATO just released a new run of these, so let's take a look.
This video is brought to you by Model Railroad Academy. Model Railroad Academy is your online resource for model railroad instructions, ideas, and information, with loads of tutorials and articles for model railroaders of every skill level. One of my personal favorites is Alan Keller's Great Model Railroads series. It is just so much fun to look at all of these different model railroads from all of these different great model railroaders and just get inspiration from those. Plus, you can find tutorials on everything from bench work to electronics to scenery, all sorts of things there. The first 1,000 people to sign up at the link in the description below will get a full year of premium membership to Model Railroad Academy for $1.49.
Hey everybody, my name's Jimmy. Welcome to Coffee and Trains. Today I'm drinking some French roast coffee from the store, more store brand coffee. I got a lot of it. If you want to tell me what kind of coffee you are drinking and have it featured just like these guys right here, you can do that in the comments below, and who knows, you might see your name pop up on an episode of Coffee and Trains. Cheers, guys. First of all, you might notice the new sign there. My parents actually got someone to make that for me for Christmas, and I thought that was really cool. So thanks, Mom and Dad. Okay. KATO first introduced the NW2 in 2007. The latest run has 3 different road names: Santa Fe, Burlington Northern, and Union Pacific. Each road name has 2 road numbers. The model is very well detailed with both molded and separately applied details, including some interior cab detail as well, which is pretty cool. There are also several nice painted on details, including the super small number boards on the head and tail lights. Now this model comes DCC ready, and this model is really small, so the DCC decoder is slightly different to install than most KATO engines. The motor has circular contacts. These are slightly different than the normal tabs that a KATO locomotive has. I found it easier to actually pop off the contact tabs from the light board and then remove the light board and tabs separately, then slide the decoder board in and then slide those contact tabs on in place. Now this works better than just trying to slide the whole thing out at once. I was able just to snap everything right in place. I actually love small switchers like this one. I'm not sure why. I just do. Let's just take a look at this thing running around my layout. Now this is going to end up being a Blue Ridge and Western locomotive, the freelance railroad that I am designing. The way that I'm doing this is that I'm simply removing the Class 1 railroad logos, leaving the paint job, and then at some point I'm going to get some water slide decals made of the logo to put on there. So this is a really cool locomotive. I really just love these small locomotives, and this is going to fit in perfectly for the needs of my freelance railroad. So I got a link to them in the description below if you want to pick one up. They're relatively inexpensive. expensive. So they're just a nice little addition to the model railroad. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.